This home is proudly listed by Becky and Ryan Belk of Keller Williams Preferred Realty. Becky and Ryan make selling or buying real estate easy. Please enjoy touring this home and text or call 919-201-8278 to see this wonderful home in person. 12 minutes to Duke. This dream home has it all. Beautifully maintained and updated. Walk up Unfin. 3rd floor, hardwood floors, home office, new paint into an extension, new roof. Storage shed/workshop, Unfin 3rd floor, custom painted and detailed cabinets west/solid surface countertops, updated baths, BRK bar, shiplap in sunroom, lighted built-in shelves in sunroom, gas fireplace, cottage wood shutters on all end windows.